Hey everyone, welcome back for another deep dive. Today we're going to be talking about something that I think a lot of us dream about, and that is passive income from royalties.
Ooh.
Whether you are looking for new income streams yourself, or just curious about the creator economy, or maybe just fascinated by how royalties work,
Right.
we are going to break it all down for you. And get this, we're going to look at how people are making money even when they're not working.
It is amazing how many different ways people are earning royalties these days.
I know, right? It's not just for like rock stars and,
Yeah.
best-selling authors anymore.
Not at all. Not at all.
Okay, so let's start with the basics here.
Mhm.
What exactly is passive income from royalties?
Well, it's basically generating income from some asset you've created, like a song, a book, a piece of software, even a design,
Okay.
without actively working on it at that moment.
So you do the work up front,
Exactly.
and then you continue to reap those rewards as time goes on.
It's like planting a seed. It
Ah,
keeps bearing fruit.
that's a good analogy. Okay, so you're telling me I could write a book once,
Mm.
and it could just make me money while I'm off, I don't know, on vacation. Sign me up.
Right.
So, but seriously, what are some of the more common ways that people are actually doing this?
Well, music is a classic example.
Yeah.
Every time a song is played, on the radio, streamed online, or used in a movie or TV show, the songwriter and publisher earn royalties. But it's not limited to just, hit singles. Even background music and videos commercials can generate royalties.
Every time somebody hears that catchy jingle, the creator gets a little cha-ching. Right?
Exactly. I love it. Speaking of creative work, the world of books offers tons of royalty opportunities.
Yeah.
Authors earn royalties not just from physical book sales,
Okay.
but also from ebooks, audiobooks,
Oh, right.
and even foreign translations.
Wow.
And did you know that there are even royalties associated with textbook adoptions? And even course packs that are used in universities?
I did not know that. That is fascinating. But it sounds like this isn't just for artists and writers. What about those of us that are maybe a little more, I don't know, technical?
Oh, absolutely. The tech world is brimming with potential for royalties.
Okay.
Software developers, for example, can earn royalties every time somebody downloads or subscribes to their software.
Makes sense.
And if you've ever created a popular app, you know firsthand how those microtransactions and in-app purchases can really add up.
That's incredible. So you develop the app once and then potentially just have this steady stream of income.
That's right.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
What about inventors?
Oh, yeah.
You mentioned inventors before.
Inventors can earn royalties through the patent system. Essentially, a patent grants them the exclusive rights to their invention for a set period of time.
Okay.
Which means any company that wants to use that invention has to pay them a licensing fee.
Oh.
Which is a form of royalty. It can be quite lucrative, especially for, groundbreaking inventions in fields like medicine or technology.
So what does all this mean for our listener out there who's learning all about this?
It means the potential is vast.
Okay.
If you have a unique skill or a creative spark or an innovative idea, there might be a way for you to generate royalties.
This has been a really insightful deep dive. We learned all about how royalties work across music and books and software and even inventions. It's clear that there's a ton of different ways to potentially earn passive income.
It really opens up the possibilities, doesn't it?
It does.
And it makes me wonder if you could create something that could generate this kind of passive income. Through royalties, what unique skills or knowledge do you possess that could be leveraged in this way? Think outside the box.
That is a great question to ponder. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this. Keep exploring and let us know what you discover. Thanks for joining us.